Hello everyone. Today in this particular video we are going to learn about how to use dictionary step by step. So let's get started. So very first it's really very important to know about what a dictionary means. A dictionary is a special book that gives a list of the words of a language in alphabetical order and explains what they mean and provides a lot of other information about a word. In short, you can say dictionaries are books that list all the words in a language, or you can say in a particular language. So, with a dictionary, you can learn how to spell a word, what a word means, how to say a word, what part of speech a word is, how many syllables are in a word, whether or not to capitalize a word, how to abbreviate a word. Example, USA is an abbreviation form of United States of America. Meanings of prefixes and suffixes for a word, and many of things you can learn from a dictionary. Now just move forward the next slide. How is a dictionary organized? So let's learn. To make dictionaries easier to use, the words are arranged, or you can say organized in alphabetical order. Since there are so many words in a dictionary, guide words are used to help you locate a word quickly. Let me tell you what are guide words. Guide words are found at the top of each page. They tell you the first and last word that is found on that same page. Now move forward to know about what are entry words. Each bold word in the dictionary is an entry word, as you can see in the picture on the screen. Now guys, let me explain you further. Just look on the screen. Here two words are there, absorb and aeroplane. These two words are guide words. And the next page you are having yellow box that shows you entry word. Here the entry word is afraid. Now let me show you how the entry word look like. So guys, just look on the screen here. If you are using a print dictionary, the entry word look like this. Like we have the example character. So here character is the word which is entry word. After that in the brackets you have the pronunciation of that word. Then third one is the part of speech. It means the character is the word which is a noun. Then first point, it shows you that first definition. Definition here means the meaning of that word. Okay. So what is the meaning of the word character? A made up person in a book, film or TV show. Then the next one in the next line, first sample sentence. It means the example of the same word. My favorite character on this show is the main doctor. The second point shows you the second meaning or second definition of the same word. The qualities that make up a type of person. Again you have the example of the same meaning. Her kind words and efforts to help show that she has a generous character. So in this way we can learn about the second sample sentence of the same word character. Now move forward. Now we are going to learn how to find out meaning of a word, or you can say definition of a word in dictionary step by step. So let's get started. Step 1. Find the word you want to look up. So here we want to look up the word comment. Second step. Find the letter that the words begins with. The comment words start with the alphabet C here. Now, the third step. Open the dictionary to the page with the relevant letter. In this case, the letter started with alphabet C. So you should open the page where the alphabet C written. In step 4, now look at the second letter in the word you are looking for. So let's look now. Here is the fifth step. Look at the letter after C, scan down till is O. Tip. Check the guide word on the top right. This can help you. Now move on to step 6. Do the same process for the third, fourth and fifth letters and so on of the same word. Next, step 7. Now that you have found your word, look at the different meaning it has. Commend word has 3 meanings. To praise in a formal manner. Second meaning, to recommend. Third meaning, to entrust. Step 8. In step 8, look at the word in its different form. Remember that VB stands for verb, N stands for noun and ADJ stands for adjective. So here the word commend is verb, commendable is adjective and commendation is noun. Now I think you understood how to use dictionary well. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.